Canker sores, also known as mouth or aphthous ulcers or aphthous stomatitis, are the most commonest form of oral ulcerations. These are small painful lesions in mouth which appears on soft tissues including the base of gum, tongue, inside lining of cheeks, throat, etc. Usually white, grey or yellow in color with red border. Canker sores does not occur on lips and is not contagious. The incidence of canker sores is more in females and in adolescents. These are of three types: minor, major and herpetiform. Minor sores are the most common canker sores. These are small oval or round ulcers that heal within a week or two with no scarring. Major sores are larger and deeper than minor ones. They have irregular edges and can take up to 6 weeks to heal. Major mouth ulcers can result in long-term scarring. Next is herpetiform canker sores. These are of pinpoint size, occur in clusters of 10 to 100 and often affect adults. This type of mouth ulcer has irregular edges and will often heal without scarring in a week or two. Etiology is unknown but may be precipitated by emotional factors like stress. Studies have shown that when people are especially stressed, they tend to get more canker sores, possibly because the hormones your body releases when you are stressed. It may be partly genetic, with 40% of people who experience ulcers having a family history of the condition. Other possible triggers are bacterial, viral or fungal infections, iron, vitamin B12 or folic acid deficiency, or any kind of trauma like vigorous toothbrushing, dental work, sports injury or accidental tooth bite, food sensitiveness, hormonal changes during menstruation, lack of sleep, smoking. It can also be a side effect after sudden quitting of smoking. Chemotherapy and constipation also causes this condition, or can be associated with other diseases like celiac disease, autoimmune disorder, inflammatory bowel diseases, HIV or after organ transplant, Behçet's disease and diabetes mellitus. Coming to the treatment, it includes rinsing the mouth with salt water or baking soda, application of ice cubes to the affected area to reduce swelling, reducing stress. Smoking makes mouth ulcers worse. Avoid spicy or acidic food. Eat a diet high in vitamin B12, iron, folic acid, zinc, etc. A slice of onion can be directly applied on the sore. Should seek medical help if the sore does not clear up within 14 days, or if it becomes acutely painful or no pain at all, or grows larger than a dime, associated with fever, weight loss or swollen lymph nodes, or if there are a cluster of sores in one area or spread to the lips outside the mouth.